We're live. Hi, everybody. How you doing? Welcome to Friday, Option Expiry Friday today. This is June 9th. Welcome. Nice to see you all here. Hope you've had a good week. It's been a very interesting week, stock-wise, option-wise. I'm Bruce. This is Stock Markets with Bruce. That's the name of the channel, in case you don't know who I am. They call me Uncle Bruce. They gave me that handle back in January, February of 2021 when I started going live every day during market days. And we've been having a lot of fun here today. And the last 2+ years, we've had a ton of fun. This channel has evolved a lot. Like you have to stay alive on YouTube. You have to evolve. You have to go with the flow. We started off 2 years ago just following the markets, and I was just desperately trying to explain to you folks the basics of what was going on out there. We've now graduated to the point where viewers on this channel have decided that they've learned how the markets work, or a lot about markets, and still learning a lot of different things. And there's a ton to absorb, but also a very high percentage of the viewers of this channel have become option writers. And I can guarantee you that 90% of the 95% of investors out there, casual investors, certainly 95% would never think of writing an option because they don't know what that is. They don't understand what writing an option really is and how it really works. And I know that. I used to be a stockbroker in 1979, all the way to a number of years ago. I was a branch manager. I was a VP of a brokerage firm. I took a company public with a good buddy of mine. I was president of a publicly traded company, so I've been on the other side of the stock market, from the investor side to the executive side. I've been offshore. I've lived in the Cayman Islands and been an offshore asset manager there to see what that world is all about, and I've been a consultant in that area. It has been a wild ride for me. So I'm giving you 40+ years of experience every day in my own unique way. I'm 67 now. I'm getting on. I'm going to be 68 this year. Getting old, and I know I'm getting old because of phone calls I keep getting. These phone calls, and I was told about these phone calls by my father-in-law back about 20-30 years ago. He was warning me. He says, you're going to start getting these phone calls one day and they won't stop. I said, what phone calls are you talking about? Phone calls? What do you mean? He says, you're going to start getting these calls where, did you hear about so-and-so? Did you hear about this person? Did you hear about this relative? Did you hear about your pal? Did you hear about a former coworker? Either they've died, or they're very ill, or they're suffering from all kinds of health issues. You're going to get these phone calls, and they're going to shock you at the beginning. And then all of a sudden you're going to go, oh, another one. Oh, another one. I said, this is depressing. He says, yeah, it is. But the key for yourself is you do not become one of those phone calls. Oh, okay. I said, I get you. My father-in-law lived until 84, and he was written off many a time prior to that. In his 60s, he was written off. In 70s. Unbelievable guy. And so what are you going to do? You just kind of, keep on going. So here I am. I'm staying young by hanging out with you kids because most of you guys are much younger than I am. And you're keeping me energized. And this market is never the same day twice, and I love it. So I'm happy to regurgitate to you what I can and give you my perspective on what I think is happening and what's going on here and how you can take advantage of it. All I ask from those of you who are watching me is, one, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that would be kind of nice. It's a free thing you can do. It doesn't cost you any money. Would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and let YouTube know this channel is chock full of information for newbies and veterans alike. That would be great because the more people who find out about this channel will check it out, listen to this old man, look at this guy and go, he's got a face for radio. Why would I watch this guy? You don't have to watch. You just listen. Just put me on and listen and whatever. And a lot of people do that. They go, yeah, you're a great radio show. You know that, Bruce? You're a great radio show. Thank you all already. Those of you who have been giving me thumbs ups, I see Hawkeye Pierce at number 52 already. 52 thumbs up. Let me know what number you are. type on in there. Tell me what number you are today. I'd love to hear from you, especially you non-members. There's a lot of lurkers here who are not members of this channel. You can comment right now until we shut the comment off for members only towards the opening. Nice to have you all here, and great to see how many of you are following and saying hello and catching up. By the way, Golf Mom, how you doing? I saw Golf Mom make a comment this morning. I was asking the other day, where is Golf Mom? I haven't seen her in a while, and she's alive and well. And the son, Kent, is winning golf tournaments. Good stuff. And perfect desert weather, I hear. By the way, Golf Mom, we've already made a reservation for May, was it April and May of next year? We've got a condo for April and May already booked up. So we're really happy about that. And we'll be in Australia and New Zealand prior to that, but we're coming to the desert after the Down Under trip. So going to be a busy time of it here. Lots going on. Anyway, folks, welcome to the party. Welcome to the show. Glad you're here. Just nice to see you. Look, a couple of things going on. Sofi, $8.31 a share right now, up 19 cents in the pre-market already, and we're approaching a million plus volume. According to CNBC, just around 900,000 traded, 832. We break 852-ish. We'll be at the high, the 52-week high. And I think we're going there, and we're going through that. There's no doubt in my mind this is headed for $10 a share pretty soon. Not in 15 minutes, but it's well on its way. You who've been here for a while, one, if you've been here for any length of time and you've paid any attention to my ranting and raving and prognostications and opinions and everything else, you know I love SoFi. I mean, you know it. And when we saw that Wedbush analyst come out with the prediction that the stock was going to 250 a share, we laughed and we were outraged, and we had our reasons why that's not going to happen. And for a while, the Wedbush moron was able to push the price of the stock down with this prognostication all the way to 445 a share. And from that 550 to 445 level, a ton of viewers on this channel were loading up on SoFi, just buying it, because they all knew that if they buy it now, they can lower their average cost because they're already in it and they're going to buy it up. And many of you were able to bring your averages, in some cases, $10, $12 down to $7, $8, $9. Some cases, you got your averages down into the 5, 6 range and lower. And congratulations, because this stock is your secret weapon to your retirement. And many of you newbies, if you're a newbie here, you don't understand why SoFi is so significant around here. The shares of SoFi, as the months and quarters and years go by here, as we keep marching forward in time, this company is growing dramatically, very quickly. Almost everybody agrees with that. It's a question of whether the growth is going to be profitable growth. And moves that this company has made in the last 6 months to a year have been quite good for phenomenal future revenue and income streams. Viewers of this channel who own 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares, 15,000 shares, and there are many of you. You guys are going to be writing hundreds of contracts, call option contracts. You will be, not yet, but you will be. And when you do start writing option contracts, some of you are going to realize that, oh my God, listening to Uncle Bruce was the right thing to do, because when I bring in $2 to $2.50 in premiums, writing option contracts, and my average is $6, and I'm getting $2.50 on a contract, that's 40% of what I paid for the stock in one option right. Good Lord Almighty, am I bringing in cash? You're never going to sell this stuff. You're never going to sell it. It's kind of like Warren Buffett. I'm turning you into mini Buffetts, except with Warren Buffett, he may or may not be writing as many options as you're going to be writing, because you folks out there who have 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares, 15,000 shares, these 50, 100, 150 contracts you're going to write are going to basically replace your day job. And you're going to become full-time asset managers of your portfolios. And these dollars coming in, a portion will be used to live on it, and the remainder will go into compound your return and grow your equity and allow you to diversify your holdings and whatever else. I'm excited for you guys. I'm really, really excited. I know there are viewers here with 30,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000, 100,000 shares and up. I know that. I'm very well aware of that. But what I'm really pumped up about is the fact that I have got a ton of viewers that have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,000 shares who are going to write 40, 50, 60, 70 calls at a time. And they've never done that before. They thought when they wrote 5 calls on anything, that was a huge option right. Then they wrote 10 once. And then they started writing 12 and 15 contracts at a time on different stuff. Get ready to write dozens and dozens of contracts on SoFi to a desperate options market. There are going to be millions of option players desperately to want to play SoFi shares. They're already there. There's liquidity there, and it's just going to get bigger and better and better. Congratulations, option writers. Right now, if you are writing cash secured puts on SoFi, congratulations, because I have been begging you folks to write cash secured contracts, cash secured put contracts on SoFi at the 4 level, the 5 level, the 6 level, the 7 level. And if you followed my advice and you've done this in the last 2 weeks, you're smiling because we're at $8.30 here. Every put contract that's with an $8 strike price and lower is out of the money. And the stock continues to go higher. These put values are dropping and dropping, and you have taken advantage of this. Some cases, hundreds of contracts. I say congratulations, each and every one of you. Beach Boy is saying here, Bruce, here's 30 shekels for you. Thank you, my friend. Hey, Bruce, yesterday, as you were ranting away, the stink offer hit 10 GameStop cash secured puts. January 2024, I wrote 1875s. I sold them for 363. Thank you again for your teachings and drilling us into our brains. And thank you for the donation. Thank you, all of you who make donations to this channel. You guys are incredible. Look at that trade. What does that mean? If you're new to this channel, you're going, what? I don't understand these words, Bruce. What does it mean writing 10 GME CSPs, Jan 24, 1875, 363? What is that? Simple. Beach Boy is basically saying to the option market, thank you for $3.63 a share. I appreciate the cash. $363 a contract times 10 contracts. $3,630 is now in Beach Boy's hand. And all he had to do was either put up $18.75 a share in cash or in marginability to basically say to his stockbroker and to the option market, I'll tell you what, I'll buy 1,000 shares of GameStop. 10 contracts worth is 100 shares times 10 contracts. I'll buy 1,000 shares at $18.75 until January 2024, the next 6 months. Anytime between now and January 24, whoever buys these 10 contracts, you can sell me your 1,000 shares of GameStop for $18.75. Now, the stock is $21.41, okay? Nobody is going to sell Beach Boy any stock at $18.75 if you can get $21.41 on the open market. I mean, come on, who's stupid? But Beach Boy is saying, I'll give you 6 months to take this deal because stocks move. They go up and down all the time. But you give me 363 and I'll give you 1875. Well, what Beach Boy is really saying is, let's take 363 off the 1875 level. And that comes out to $15.12. Beach Boy would have to actually pay $15.12 to buy those shares if someone were to hit him with them. I'm making you buy my stock from me for $18.75. Beach Boy's going, okay, I'll take the 363 I already got, and I'll give you $15.12 more, and there's $18.75. Here's your money. Thank you for your 1,000 shares. Then what does Beach Boy do? Well, the only way Beach Boy is going to get these shares is if they go under $18.75. I mean, if they stay above 1875, that no one's going to sell them stock. So of course the 363 value of these contracts will drop if the shares don't drop. Of course, eventually they'll be worth nothing, because right now they're worth nothing, just time, 6 months of time. Oh, that's 60 cents a month in time. That's right. Every month, these contracts have 60 cents of value. There's only 20 trading days on a typical month, roughly. So every day they drop 3 cents a day in value. Every day. In any event, Beach Boys are going, yeah, give me the stock at 1875. I'll buy it, but give me 363 up front first. That way I'm only paying 15.12. If I get them, then I'll write contracts, call contracts against those shares that I just bought. And so if the stock's at $17 and you make me buy them for $18.75, but I'm really only paying $15.12, they're trading at $16. Great, I'll write $17 call options on these stocks. They only cost me $15.12, and if I can get $3 in premium for a 6-month out contract for $17, you can take them off my hands for $17 plus the $3. I'm taking a $15 acquisition cost, and I'm getting $20 for it. 17 plus the $3 you're giving me. I'll take $20 on the $15 buy anytime. But if the shares don't go over 17 and they stay in that 16, 16 and a half, 17 range, those contracts will go down in value. Time runs out on calls too. Beach Boy's game plan here with these put contracts is simple. He's betting that two things are probably going to happen. One, it's unlikely the shares are going under 1875 anytime soon. That's the first thinking. The second thinking is that, a week from now, a month from now, if the shares are back to $22, $22 and a half, $23, these contracts are out of the money by $3.50. Like, they're way out of the money. Not just out of, they're already something out of the money now. They're going to be way out of the money. Those puts are going down to $2, $1.50. He might buy them back. He can buy them back anytime he wants. He can buy them back right now. He can buy them back on Monday, next Thursday. Anytime he wants, he can buy these back. Buy one of them back. Buy 4 of them back. Buy them all back. Up to him. If the shares go down in value, these put values will go higher. If the shares go up in value, these put values will go down. And that's what he's thinking. If it just sits around here, there's depreciation, deterioration of time. But if the shares actually rally to $22, $23, these puts could lose $1 pretty quick and be at the 250 mark. And that puts him ahead $1.10 a contract, which is an $1,100 gain on 10 contracts. Anyone can do this. You can do this with one contract if you want. If you got $1,875 lying around, you can write one cash secured put against that stock if you want and dare the market to sell it to you to 1875. I don't know if you get 363 for it, but that's what he did. And I'm excited. I'm excited for all of you who are taking advantage of this market in various ways. If you believe in GameStop but don't want to own the paper right now, then write a cash secured put. You're believing in the upside long term, longer term, medium term, but you don't want to hold the paper at the moment. Because you think, well, it might go to $19.50. It might go to $19. Well, even at $19, these puts are worthless. The stock has to go below $18.75. And by the way, if the shares go down to $18, say in a month, this contract would be worth 75 cents book value plus time. But a month from now, there isn't 6 months of time. There's only 5 months of time. So the contract will shrink 1 month of time premium away, but gain 75 cents in book value because the stock has come down to $18. My hunch, those contracts will be about $3.25 if the stock goes to $18. Even if Beach Boy is wrong and the shares go down to $18, he's still going to make money on these put contracts. He'll be able to buy them back for less than he sold them for. But if he gets exercised, he doesn't mind. You want to sell me this stuff for $18.75? Okay. It's going to cost me $15.12 net. I'm more than happy to buy it. It's trading to 18 and I'm buying it at $15.12. Oh, bring it on. Bring it on all day long. I'm going to write a $20 call right now. That's what he's going to do. He's going to bring in $3.50 on the $20 call. He'll write him 6 months out and he's going to go easy money. I mean, geez, go back up to 21. 22, and take me out at 20. I got the 3 premium on top of it. I got $23 for a $15 buy. I'm up $8 a share. That's 8 grand here on this move. It just keeps compounding. Option writers win no matter which way the markets go if they know what they're doing. How do you know what you're doing in the options market? How can you stay ahead of it? Here's what you do down here. You go on to there and you head over to my website, stockmarketswithbruce.ca. Get your butt over there and start taking classes. There's 15 of them, all about stock options, call options, put options, how to write them, why they go up, why they go down. Everything you need to know is right in there. Anyone can go buy one class at a time. You want to buy class number 7 as your first class? Go ahead. I don't recommend it, but go ahead. You want to write class number 14, the second last one I've made? Go ahead. My recommendation, start with class number 1 if you're a newbie, and then watch class number 2. Take your time. Watch a class a week. Watch 2 classes a week. It's like a college course. Simple, plain English lessons in front of a live audience. Auntie Jennifer is the moderator. You'll hear her voice interrupting me as I'm working on the board here and helping people understand what's going on. And you'll quickly figure out, as Jen is telling you or telling me, so-and-so asks this question. You'll go, so-and-so, that person is on his chat thing right now. That's right. Majority of the folks who are here with their name in green, these are members of the channel. These are my students. These have been my students since class number 1, number 2, number 3. They're still here. Why are they still here? Why would someone take 15 classes from me and still be a member of my channel and hang out here all day long? 2 hours every morning. Why is that? I mean, you took the classes. Don't you know everything by now? You'll figure it out. You start taking the classes and you're going, oh, I get it. Of course. Why would you leave the professor? The prof is giving you the lessons, and then the prof is live every day to be there to answer questions. Why would you not hang out with the prof after you take the lesson? By the way, can you do this on any other channels? Can you actually hang out with the professor, your instructor, live during market hours and ask that individual questions about what's happening right now with the stocks? Really? I don't think so. There's a lot of courses you can take out there from experts that you will never be able to talk to them live about anything that you're studying. And you are going to pay, in some cases, thousands of dollars up front. $4,000, $6,000, $10,000 for courses on how to be a day trader, how to be a better investor, how to be a smarter whatever. And there's no hope in hell of you ever talking on a demand basis, 5 days a week during market trading days. You can talk to your professor. No, here you can. And so $150 a class is the cost of the classes. Take 1, take 6, watch them all whenever you want, rewatch them all you want. Go from there. It's up to you. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Maybe I should be charging $10,000 for all 15 classes, and I should only do 5-minute recorded shows. I could take the rest of the day off. Maybe I should become like aloof, hard to track down. That works with some people, you know. He's exclusive. Too much fun, everybody. Are you having fun out there? Welcome all to the party. Nice to have you here. Alberto, good morning. Student here and still here, not going anywhere. Money-making bagel familia. Welcome, my friend. Alex Bruce, I am number 96 on your thumbs up meter. I know you're looking for 200 thumbs ups every day. We got you to 100 right now. I see 100 there coming in. Thank you for the 100 thumbs ups, everybody. Keep those thumbs ups coming on. Hit that sucker. Let's get to 200 ASAP and really build some momentum. Thank you all so very, very much. It's much appreciated. I cannot. Am I complaining? I'm not complaining. I'm a happy guy. You guys are awesome. We had 277 yesterday and 318 the day before. Pretty cool bean stuff. I hope we can hit 300 thumbs ups today. That would be really nice. Thank you all for just being there for us. Jen and I really love it. It's a lot of fun, and it's inspiring, and it's humbling at the same time. Thank you guys. All right. What else is going on here? Oh my gosh, we're having fun here. Look at that SoFi, 829. Yeah, baby. Bobby Atkinson, you know what? 21 cents on SoFi here. What's he saying here? 21 cents on SoFi pre-market, 50 cents more, and I'm sitting in the green side of SoFi. Bobby is going to be beside himself. He's just not going to know what to do with himself. He's going to have a green account. He'll be so confused. Where's all that red? What happened to all the red? Credit Savage. So recession's over. No more war in Ukraine. No more interest rates. All these empty commercial lots in every city and town are going to now be filled. No more layoffs. Oh, it's wonderful. It's just a wonderful world in which we live. We're gonna make America great again. It's just gonna be so fantastic. We're going back to the 1950s when Eisenhower was president and golfing all the time. If only there were a presidential candidate that likes to golf all the time, we could just go back to the 50s. Wouldn't that be great? Oh man, shamalama ding dong, Uncle Bruce. Should I roll my December 190 Tesla calls or just sit back and fold arms while the stock goes crazy? I'm trying not to go too far out because I'm the Tesla stock to buy a Cybertruck this year, hopefully. Well, I think you should go further out, and you should go higher on your strike price. 190 strike price is not where you should be right now. Yeah, I would go shopping right now to write February, March, April contract. It's not that you're going to stay in the contract until that time. It's just that you're taking advantage of this move up, and you do not want to get exercised at 190. So take a look at maybe writing something higher than 225, 230. Try to go higher if you can. If you can write a call option at the same price that what you need to pay to buy this one back, and you have to go further out to next summer, do it. So if you can buy, if you can write a 235, a 240, and you break even on the swap, but you got to write one for next summer, go ahead. That's $50, $60 a contract. That's $5-6 grand to you for nothing. Just a little bit of time. Stock backs off here in the next month to 220. Nothing stupid. Just goes back to 220. And you've written 230, 35s, 240s. You're grinning from ear to ear, man. You're sitting now with out of the money contracts. You may at that point buy back that 240 contract, whatever one you wrote, at a lower price, and then write a shorter term contract in time at a lower strike. You might write a 225 at that point or a 220, and won't cost you anything, but you'll bring in months of time back to you. There's ways to play this. That's what the lessons are for. Larry Titus, I'll be doing a presentation when the market's open, so I'll miss bell ringing. Have a good market, everybody, a good day. So everyone else is going to have to step in and hit the bells on behalf of Larry Titus today. So folks, in 31 minutes, a bunch of you out there are going to hit the bells for us, please. And thank you very much. Thanks, Larry, for the heads up. Have a great one today. Eric Riddle, Bruce, salesman's first. He's a salesman first and a stock market guy second. That's what he is. Alberto, Larry, I will ring him for you. Beach Boy, Alberto, neat. Pulse guitar, neat. Boris, hi there. I'm number 115 on the thumbs up meter, Bruce. 115 for you. Exciting day for closing my butterfly calls. Giddy up. Extreme Edition, the stock market is forward looking, so things look good. Kodesh Savage says, I think this is a buy the rumor and sell the news type of setting. Rugman speaks next week. I'm rolling cover calls like crazy. Beach Boy, thank you, Larry. Have a good one. Tough guy. What is the knee emoji? That is the Knights of Knee. Don't you know about the Knights of Knee? Do you not watch Monty Python? Have you no clue what we do here? Oh my goodness, you've got to watch that movie. What was that movie called? Is it Life of Brian? No, it's the Holy Grail. Search for the Holy Grail. You got to watch that movie. The Knights of Knee are all powerful. You don't mess with the Knights of Knee. When the knee emojis hit this channel, stocks just cave and do what we want. It's true. It's magical. You think I'm kidding? You stick around, watch out. Shamalama Ding Dong, thank you. No sell, no sell. A hot wing might criticize. I might have to call you later. Depends if I buy anything today. Shamalama, Eric, we're all okay with that because we're making money because of this salesman. Yeah, we're making money because of this guy. You know what I find funny is you go to other YouTube channels out there who've been around for years and years and are much larger than I am. I mean, I'm a peon compared to these other influencers out there. There are influencers out there with hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers. I am a nothing burger. And you go to their little websites, in the top corner, they have the little links up there, and you go check out all the courses these guys offer. Some guys offer courses on everything. I can't believe that a 30-something-year-old presenter has courses on 15 different things. I don't know where this experience came from. It's magical. And then these courses are available for $4,000, $6,000, $8,000, $10,000. You could buy 4 or 5 different courses in a package for $12,000, $15,000. Mind-numbing to me, mind-blowing. I have 15 classes about option writing, about options and option writing and market philosophy, all kind of built into it. That's it. That's all I got. And it's $150 a class, and you don't have to buy more than one at a time. So, like, I'm the Kmart, I'm the Walmart of investment advice. But I stick to my knitting. And you notice what I don't do is I don't have a bunch of quotes all over the place. You don't see me telling you what I'm trading because I don't trade. I don't trade at all. I'm just here as an independent opinion giver and telling you what I think is going on, what I believe is happening, what I see and how I interpret it. You're the one doing the trading. There's no conflict here. I'm not against you. I'm not trying to compete against you to make more money than you are. So up to you if you think that's good or not. Some people say, oh, he doesn't put any money on the line. He just talks all the time. Yeah, that's right. I just talk all the time. And I advise and I speculate with you and I try to kind of give you as many sides of the argument as I can, but it's your call. Up to you. You want to talk to me one-on-one. You want to have a private one-on-one with me? There's a guy out there who charges, what does he charge? $1,000 for a phone call. You want to have a phone call with this guy? It's $1,000. Can you imagine? He can hang up on you anytime he wants. You pay up front. You want a 1 hour with me? It's on camera. We'll talk and look at each other and go, I'll be on this side. You'll be on that side. We'll be in a private setting right here, just the two of us, alone. And we can get into whatever you want. It's $400 for now. $400. I had a viewer yesterday tell me something, just as a quick little comment that I read, something about how they were doing on their managed account. They had an account being managed by an investment advisory firm, and that they were down 12% on their money. Like, they've lost 12% in the market, and they were charged $60,000 in fees for the last year. And I calculated it backwards. I went, well, that's usually 2% management fee. 60,000, that means you multiply that by 50. That's a $3 million account. Now, if you lose 12% on a $3 million account, you're losing $360,000. It took me a while to get that out of my head. Holy crap, you're losing $360 and you're paying $60,000 in fees? Here in this little channel, this tiny, puny little nothing burger of a channel, I'm trying to get some of you out there who have $1 million with a investment advisor, a $500,000, $2 million, $4 million. You guys are paying $20, $30, $50, whatever $1,000 a year in advisory services, and these folks are hoping you stick around for the next 20 years. You're like 50 now, and you're going to be 70 eventually, or you're 55 and 75, or you're 70 now, and they hope you stay alive until you're 90. They're hoping to collect 2% off of your butt over the next 15, 20 years. And you think about this hard. If you're paying $60,000 a year in advisory services, which is 1/12 of $60,000 every 30 days. That's $5,000 a month. $60,000 for the next 20 years. If your account doesn't move in value at all, you're going to pay $1.2 million in fees for the next 20 years. $60,000 a year times 20 years. Not making this up. If you go up in value rather than lose 12%, if you can gain 5% a year average, some years are better, some years are worse. Maybe in 10 years, your account goes from 3 million to 4 million. It goes from 4 million to 5 million. At 5 million, they're getting 100,000 a year. So if they average, say, 75,000 a year in fees off of your butt for 20 years, that's 1.5 million in fees that is being taken from you, your money that's going to them, to give you a return that's average on the market. And I'm sitting here saying, what are you, nuts? What are you doing that for? Why don't you take over your account and do it yourself? Learn to write options, learn to diversify your investments. I mean, come on. You're being paid $60,000 a year to take over your own account by not paying $60,000 a year for advisory services. There's your first win. The second win is if you do any conservative option writing, you're going to bring in more than 5 and 10% a year in your money. If you're picking up stocks like IBM or buying high quality ETFs and you're writing options on that, you are hauling in some nice double-digit returns, and you're self-managing it, and you're not paying 2% to anybody. So wait a minute, Bruce, what are you telling me? What I'm trying to tell you is, for some of you out there, the turnaround would be, well, I broke even on my investments, but I had to pay 2% fees. Or I lost 12% and 2%, or I made 5%, but they took 2%. Maybe the difference could be $250,000 to you, $500,000 a year to you difference, no management fees, and you're making a consistent return that's better than what these guys can do for you. Because are you being told by your investment advisors, oh, Mr. Jones, I just want to let you know, was talking to the head honchos in New York who are managing your money for you, because after all, I'm just a spokesman on behalf of the company. I'm just a schmuck in St. Louis that found you and brought you in and sent the money to New York to be managed. Those guys are telling me that they're writing call options for you. They're writing all kinds of options, bringing in all kinds of option premium for you. And that's why you're going to have a stellar year this year. None of you are getting that phone call. None of you have ever got that phone call. None of you will ever get that phone call. You will never get a text, an email, a message, a letter, anything to tell you, oh yeah, we're bringing you 28% returns. Because one, you don't have enough money to matter. Two, you're one of millions of clients these guys have nationally. You're a nothing burger. You're unless you got 25 million, they're not going to give a crap. You're just another client with 300,000, 600,000, 1.4 million, 6.1 million. You're under 10 million. You're a nothing burger. I'm sorry. You're a nothing burger. Because these guys are going to talk to the big boys and girls, and that's not you. Maybe you should be the one managing your affairs. And one of the ways to do it is hang out here and hang out with this crowd and learn this little game called how to write stock options on assets you're already sitting on, for crying out loud. Make your assets pay you. Make stock you own pay you to hold it. You're a real nice person. You're a real nice guy and girl. You've got an account sitting with a brokerage firm, and you're paying fees, whether you believe it or not, you're paying fees to be a client. Why aren't you getting paid to be a client? Why are they charging you? They should be paying you to allow them to hold your assets for you. What the hell has this world come to? It's ridiculous. It's time for you to get your share. And don't take any shit from anybody. I'm telling you right now. Whether you got 50 grand, 80 grand, 130 grand, it doesn't matter how small your account is. You should be being paid to have money working for you. And it's time to get your money off its ass and making you some money. Money can make money, and all you have to do is direct it. You just have to direct the money into the places it's supposed to go. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you so much for being here. Oh my gosh. What's going on? So much fun here. Alberto, thank you, my friend, for this generous donation. As always, you are something else, man. Uncle, I went from a 16% yearly return 401k to a minimum of 60% max of 110% within the 3 years of your teachings and advice. I am forever grateful to you and our one-on-one classes. Thank you, my friend. It's been a pleasure. Just to have viewers succeed is such a turn on. I mean, what do you think I think about all the time? Jen and I are hanging around in the evenings. I'm watching the hockey game last night and watching the Panthers win in overtime. The series is now 2-1. And then during commercials, I'll lean over and say, "Oh yeah, I was talking to Alberto today. I was talking to so and so today. Did you know that these shares are doing that?" I mean, the wheels are constantly going. It's just going. I'm so pumped for you folks. 8:31 on Sofi. We're 19 minutes away from the opening. Congrats, Alberto. This show is always good when Bruce gets real. Not your Sofi got some back. I'm number 126 on your thumbs up meter. What year? 1984. Here's a $50 super sticker. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Thank you. Look at that. Ooh, look at it go. Yeah, baby. Going for a rocket ride. Thank you all for these. It's appreciated. Those of you who make donations to me anonymously through PayPal, same thing. Thank you. I will never reveal the amount if it's done on PayPal because some of you want to support the channel, but you don't want to let the world see the amounts. Others, you love doing this. I love this too. I don't mind one bit. YouTube really appreciates super stickers because they get 30% of that money. But that's all right. It's okay with me. I don't care how you want to make a donation to this channel. I love you all so much for it. It allows Jen and I to plot our future with get-togethers, meet and greets, traveling, and everything else. And of course, you folks are directly responsible without any question whatsoever. The only reason that Jennifer is walking around this house, unpacking, going out with me to Costco, getting in and out of the car without going, is because of you folks. She has a brand new hip because of the viewers of this channel. You guys are awesome. You've helped us in so many ways. And these financial donations are just massive. You take my classes, of course I make money. I'm the instructor, duh. These are just added benefits. Thank you so very much. One-on-ones, love having them. Gives me a chance to figure out what you're up to, what your thinking is. Gives you a chance to let me tell you directly, maybe you may want to do it this way. Maybe you want to alter your account a little here and a little here, make a few subtle adjustments, and here's $10,000 a year more every 3 months in your pocket. How about that? That people are noticing. That's worth $400. Yeah, I'll spend $400 to hang out with this guy for an hour. I could pay a financial advisor 2% of my account value to theoretically make me money in the market. And if you have $100,000 in a firm that's helping you manage your money, and the firm happens to sell mutual funds or ETFs as part of their service, guess what they are? You're dealing with a salesman. They're taking 2% off the top, and they're charging you a commission to get into their in-house funds, just so you know. But if you got $100,000 and 2% is all they're taking from you, that's $2,000 a year. Are you getting the equivalent of 5 one-on-ones direct to you live? At least it's on camera. I don't think you are. There are people here who watch me all the time and who find out about me from time to time, who basically don't realize they are paying thousands of dollars a year of advisory services and are getting no advisory services. Nothing. They never get contacted by the other. They just get emails with their statements and generic research from some invisible person somewhere they've never heard of, they're never going to meet. There are viewers on this channel and elsewhere who are paying tens of thousands of dollars a year for advisory services that are worthless. You can get this information for nothing watching CNBC, listening to Bloomberg, reading Wall Street Journal. You can do it yourself for pennies. You know, $10, $15 a month, and you can get a bunch of material sent to you through publications. You don't need to pay tens of thousands of dollars a year for this stuff, but you are. That's why the skyscrapers in Manhattan are standing there. That is why you see articles about billionaires who are sitting in these new towers, these new skinny skyscrapers in New York that go up 80, 100 floors, and they have $20 million condos in those things. Who do you think pays for that? You're paying for it. You're paying them for the firms they own that offer you advisory services on how to handle your money. You're making them billionaires. There are tons of these guys. They thank you. You'll never see them in person. You're never going to get a birthday card from any of these guys. Or you could do what viewers are doing here and go, Bruce, I think I'm going to invest $150 in some of your classes. I'm going to start with that. And I'm going to try to follow your lingo here and catch up with you every morning and listen to your ranting and raving about whatever. And I'm going to learn how to handle my account a little smarter. And maybe I can do it myself. And maybe in 3 months from now, I will then fire my advisors. And I will take my dough and my 401k and I will self-administer it. I'll take my own RRSP and do that in Canada. My TFSAs. I'm going to get out of the Royal Bank of Canada, Bank of Montreal, Bank of Nova Scotia, whatever in Canada you're doing with their in-house funds. I'm going to dump that crap. I'm going to manage my own money myself. And I'm going to write options on my own account, in my own trading account. And I don't need these guys for any help whatsoever. Thank you very much. And I am going to replace that fee, that so-called annual admin fee and all this document fee and this other BS fees that they have. I'm getting rid of all that crap and I'm doing it myself. There's a fee. There will be a fee for me to trade. Of course, there's brokerage fees, but I'll shop around for the best brokerage account and I'll set up the platform I want to set up with because I want to do option writing on my stock, on deep in the money calls. I want to write options on some ETFs. I'm going to do my research. I'm going to do research because I'm taking these classes, learning this from Uncle Bruce. I'm going to make an investment in myself. And by the time I take all 15 classes, I have put $2,250 on the table to learn 15 various lessons on how to handle my money. And these guys are getting $10,000 a year now out of my money. And I'm giving Bruce $2,250 for the rest of my life to learn how to do this. Unless he does class 16, 17, 18, 19, which I will gladly take whenever he's ready. But in the meantime, I'm going to manage myself. Thank you. Welcome to the party, pal. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, folks, thank you for being here so much. It's really great. To be fair, he did pick a few losers, Spire and COXT, and there's that, but he's taught us some cool strategies. Also, I did pick FRC myself, and that was dumb. SH happens. Not a looker anymore, number 125. Good morning, Clay. Oh, no, it's going to be a donation fight. Alberto, Boris, not flossing, just sharing facts, and thanks. Home skill at Boris. What's your source on that short interest? Too many different numbers out there. Karen, I've made 75% yearly return in the last 2 years, mostly due to options. Fantastic, Karen. Rolo, Uncle Bruce, not trying to start something, but is a short squeeze in the cards for SoFi. It might be already happening. It might have happened as soon as we broke $5, $6. Could already be going on, but a short squeeze is not going to take us to $50 a share, nothing like that. I'm not talking about SoFi going to the moon in a week. I'm just talking about the stock going up and up and up and up and up and up. It's just going to march higher. There'll be down days. There'll be good weeks, bad weeks, but all in all, the trend is higher. Alberto, Karen, that's the way. Home Skillet, yeah, I'm skeptical. Different sites have vast differences in those numbers. What year 1984? The crowd says, I've been looking at the charts on Spire. It looks like someone is buying and selling huge amounts and controlling the stock price. It goes up and down to the penny. Interesting. Clay, Bruce's viewers have money fights on the chat now. Mr. Premium of the option, 5% a return on equity per month is very impressive. Not your SoFi, got some back. Don't be like me and get your account down 95% by being on the other side of what Bruce is suggesting. home skillet number 84 touched 85 cents a couple days. Knack. John Biscuit. John, how you doing there? Boris, the short interest on Market Watch was taken, I think, on the 15th of last month, so it's widely out of date. YouTuber last night, I think, had an up-to-minute figure there. What you're saying, Chris, I think that when that person or whatever makes enough money, they will move into another stock. There's too much good news about Spire to keep it here. It could be wrong. Shamalama Ding Dong, I would love to see GameStop go to even lower today. JR, wait till you see Beach Boy and Alberta go at it. Clay, SoFi is likely having shorts cover right now, but it could also be short sellers getting out and readjusting to new levels. BW, not your SoFi. I got some back. You can sit there and bemoan, or you can be writing options to counter those current losses you're posting. Are you doing that, or just sitting back and complaining? Manager Uncle B, today is Friday, so it is a good idea to write up a new option or wait till next week or Monday. Today, get going. Don't be waiting. Manager, you know the answer. Come on. Beach Boy, Alberto. Here's 150 shekels, Uncle Bruce. That's about $50 US. So thank you, my friend, very, very much. All of you. I love the competition. I do. I love also when you folks post how long you've been a member on this channel with these green bars, these announcement bars. I love that. And of course, we love those PayPal donations. Thank you all so very, very much. Yeah, Jen and I are, in case you haven't heard, we're going to Europe. We're going to leave late August, and we'll be back here in mid-October. We will be in New York in mid-October-ish. There's going to be a meet and greet there. We'll let you know exactly what date and what location as soon as we've nailed that down. And looking forward to having you join us there. Can't wait. Also, Kevin, thank you so much for this donation. Thanks for your patience with us all, and thanks for answering my prime time questions. Wishing you and all the others an enjoyable and successful start into the week. Best regards, Splayer TV. Thank you, my friend, for your PayPal donation. That's very kind of you. And congratulations on your success. It is just great to see how you have really come around and learned how this whole thing works. You really are picking up a lot of knowledge, and I'm excited. Rocket Lab, by the way, is up 4 cents. SoFi up 17. GameStop is now positive, +3 on the morning. Thank you all so much for being here today and just being part of the channel. We're 7 minutes away from opening up trading, everybody. We have thumbs up meter now at 148. We only need 52 thumbs ups to make it. We have 260 people here. That means there are at least 110 slackers who have not yet hit the thumbs up button. And Strickland, who has never had any hair, who will never have any hair, he is looking for slackers up and down the hallway. He knows that in 7 minutes, the bell is going off, the market's about to open, and if you haven't given a thumbs up to Uncle Bruce, you are a slacker. And he is waiting to hand you the pink slip along with Marty McFly and his hot little girlfriend. Folks, don't get caught by Strickland and not have thrown a thumbs up. So if you have the ability to hit that little thumbs up button for free, get off your big fat duff and do it, please. 163 are in here. 165 are in here. We're only 35 away from 200. I always beg for 200 thumbs up. So if we can get 300, you guys are even more incredible. 170 now, 30 away from the 200 level. You guys are amazing. Thank you for reacting to that. Strickland is going to be so frustrated. He's going to go up and down the hallway and wonder, where the hell did everybody go? These students were talking to each other at the lockers. That one gal thought that guy's name was Calvin Klein or whatever. Where's that guy? What's going on here? Let's screw up Strickland big time and hit the 200 thumbs up meter before the bell. We have 6 minutes to go. We need 28 more. We had 172. We only need 28 more to get to 200 thumbs ups. Thank you all so very, very much. There you go. Not your SoFi says, DW, you misunderstand. The only reason I didn't get to losing 100% is because I followed his advice. He's a saving grace. John Biscuit, BW, he does have a point, though. No matter how you dress it up, all of Bruce's SPAC's picks have completely collapsed and are useless. There you go. Alberto Beachboy, there you go. JR, and the emails and statements tell you the return measly and bury the fees, so it is hard to see the real appreciation if there is any. It's true. Have you ever tried to figure out, some of you, you look at your parents' accounts, like your parents will say, oh, I got my statements, I don't know what they mean. And you get them in the mail and there's like 12 pages and you're going through the front and the back of each page and you're trying to find, how much are you charging my parents to manage their money? And you can't find it. You'll see an admin fee. You'll see a handling fee, or you'll see consulting. You'll find it here and there. It's buried, little tiny one-liners. Oh, it's in there. Yes, it is. Nick DeMaurier, 137. BW John, there were over 150 SPACs. He picked 8 of them. 2 of them currently stink. That's pretty good odds. They're all growing. The share price isn't the company. John, he needs to push these classes a bit more. Robert Spire is going to be a winner. Marcus, number 141. No sell, no sell. If I take all 15 classes, will I be ready to register as a financial advisor? Extreme edition. Edison, diversification must be part of any financial strategy. What year? The credits have the odd charting is happening after hours in the early morning. It goes up and down in a tight 2 or 3 pennies. I see that on Matterport. Also, take a look. It is odd. BW, not got it. Reversing out of an 85% hold to me too. Splair, I joined the donation crowd with 15 Canadian dollars on PayPal. Thank you, Splair. You didn't have to say that, but thank you, buddy. JR, oh my God, the biscuit is here. Splair, by the way, good morning. Wishing you all a successful day. Way to go, Splair. Thank you so much. Wallapuk, what is that? I sold $7 cover calls for July on Sofi. Yeah, big mistake. I'm underwater on them now. Roll or hold or get them a sign. Roll them. Roll at the very least, roll into 8s or 9s, go out, get out there to January 2024, get going, move. Clay, the SPAC stock prices might have dropped. Most of those are solid companies. Rocket Lab, Spire, Cyxtera, Smartline, so far, all solid, and we'll be sticking around. MEJ, number 144. Good morning, Bruce. We're 3 minutes from the opening. Credit average, I have an idea. Why not just buy a crap load of cheap stock and write no covered calls on it until it hits $20? If only someone would tell us that. I mean, just if anyone would. Alberto Beachwood, I will be matching and beating your donations as of next week. I'm just getting back to trading. Well, I did buy cheap stock now. I'm going to lose it. Shamalanga, Christina, I need you to come to NC. Amandu, I'll be at the New York meeting. Can't wait. But Psychotropics lurk right on GameStop now or later in the day. Thoughts? Right. 2148 up 4. John, hello, all. I'm number 149. Oh, Chris Evers. Oh, yeah, thumbs ups. I always forget. Walla, number 170. Thank you. Clay, the Credit Savage, buy low and sell high. That's nuts. You're out of your mind. They tried a true strategy of buying on the way up and panicking on the way down has just worked just fine. Thank you very much. Number 162, 163. Good morning, folks, from Matthew. Extreme Edition. I hope I have a diamond in my bucket of rocks. Dude, 171. Ed, I'm 171. Dude, I don't want to be a slacker. Don't get caught. Oh my gosh. Some viewers do not realize they can thumbs up on their remote control when watching on TV. Swear, yeah, I would have believed it's changed, but I would travel in the future 16 months ago. But my new task will be the poor mind cover call strategies. Coyote, bell time. Spicy 178. Coyote, damn it, I messed up. I can fill the shoes. Larry's left us. Larry has a gift. Oh, laughing out loud. Everyone's having fun. The bells are about to go. Thank you, everybody. He makes it look so easy with those bells. Will you have a single class again real soon? I want in soon. Keep you posted when I know more. What else is going on here? Bagel Babe, Coyote's laughing, crying. Any thoughts on the shareholder meeting taking place Tuesday? I have no thoughts. I have no idea what to expect. Who knows what the hell they're going to do? Cyxtera up 8% in pre-market. Credit average numbers. I sold 80 SoFi 7.5 Jan 24s, and I got 75 cents for them. I'm good until 8.25 to be even. Still 7 months away. Arms crossed or roll to 2025 10s now. What are your thoughts? Don't know. I don't know about that, but I wouldn't be writing. Uncle Bruce, you keep missing my questions. Christina, have you noticed how many comments I'm getting? I'm doing the best I can. VJ, Uncle Bruce, I have 5 covered calls on Tesla that are now in the money, bought for 500. They're now 4,500. What should I do? Buy back for a loss or roll over? Both. Buy back and roll over. Get up there. Move it. Go out in time and bring in bigger premiums. or certainly get up your strike price. Get it up. Anyway, go to first impressions matter, my friend. Let's see. Larry Titus has hit the bells. Larry somehow did it. Boris is here. Have you all noticed that the insurance companies never ever have a financial issues or go bankrupt? It's because they're hedging our money and giving us peanuts, says JR. Yeah, it's why they fight to be able to not pay out claims, and those actors were making bank on lifelong starring roles on their ads. Ooh, that's right. Alberto, the bell is rung. Thank you, everybody. Oh, thank God, says Bagel Babe. The bells have rung. Uncle Bruce, you keep missing my question. I need attention. Stop paying attention to Alberto. Christina, he's left. Should I push my deep in the money in Tesla out some? It's a 110. You certainly can. You can go up to the 140s, 150s if you want and take some dough off the table. Can you offload them and then buy more deep in the money calls? Can you go from 2 to 3 or whatever how many you got, but can you go from 5 to 8? Can you go from 10 to 12? Can you go from 15 to 20? What can you? Yeah, hello. People don't have to take the classes. They don't have to buy anything. You can watch for free. It'll just take you 2.5 times longer to learn this stuff and still be confused. My $9,200 right says it works. Babe. Larry saw Gowdy's massive fail and had to step in. Dude, Christina, I don't see your question. Ask again. Hot Wing Mike, donation of $11. Gotta join the fun. Thank you, Hot Wing Mike. Appreciate it. Dude, oh wait, there it is. I was a sacrificial lamb to usher in until his return, Christina. It's one Uncle Bruce. I'm not rich like Alberto. Oh, come on now. You're getting better. Yeah, I'd sell it and then buy a 150. If it's in the 90-10 rule, I mean, shop and do a move up. Why not? Yeah, absolutely. I love it. I love it. Thank you all again and again and again for being here today. You guys are awesome. I cannot thank you enough. We're open now. We're trading. We're going to member only on the chat. Thanks again, everyone who's been here during the pre-show here. Please become a member. Upgrade yourself to a gold bagel level if you want to get the pre-alerts every morning, and join me Wednesday nights for Primetime Live with Uncle Bruce. Would love to have you here. Thanks for the recent wave of new folks joining in. We've had a bit of a surge here on memberships. A number of people are coming back in here who haven't been here a while. They've noticed some of their stocks going up. They're going, oh, maybe he's right. Maybe I should be part of this channel again. Thank you all for this tremendous support. And again, of course, those of you who do super stickers and super chats and PayPal donations and buying classes and looking me up for one-on-ones, of course. Thank you. 191 thumbs up. Strickland is on the prowl. There's 266 people here, only 192 thumbs ups. He is looking for slackers. He's going to find them. Watch out, guys. Don't get caught with Strickland. He is up to no good. Stuart, thank you, my friend, for this donation on PayPal. I just saw it come through. You are awesome, buddy. Thank you so very much. You and Kevin today. Thank you on the PayPal side. Welcome everybody to the fun zone. We're going to be busy today. It's option expiry day. Lots going on. We are going to be busy. Sofi 834 up 22 cents to start the morning. Welcome to the party, everybody. We are watching a whole lot of stuff. And it's going to be fun. Just going to be fun. Let's get this out of the way. I got all these apps going. My God. All righty. We're down 44 on the Dow at the moment. We'll see how long that lasts. We're up 550 on NVIDIA to 390.66. SoFi 832 up 20 cents. We've got, what else? Rocket Lab is at 524 down 4. AI up 197. Unity up 128. GameStop up 22 cents to 21.66. SmartRent up 2 cents. Tesla up 11.85 to 246.71. Apple up 112. Google up 33. We've got Moderna down 33. Cisco down 14. Pfizer up 6. IBM is up 2 cents. HPQ up 26, Microsoft up $1. What else is going on here? Amazon up 23, Home Depot down 134, Vanik up 228, Netflix up $9.98 to $4.19 a share. Adobe up 16 again to $455.91. Goldman Sachs, $333.90 down 157. Boeing up 47. Facebook down 1.5. That's Meta. We've got Royal Caribbean up $1.08 to 91.32. Carvana up 270 to 26.93. Unbelievable. We've got Target down 237, JP Morgan down 43, Costco down 97, Walmart down 51, Disney down a penny, American Airlines up 3 cents, DraftKings up a dime to 25.66. Can you believe can you believe how much money these betting sites are paying to advertise to you? Have you noticed on hockey games, baseball games, basketball playoff games, how much advertising is targeted at young males for betting on bet sites with licensed in their state, licensed in their province in Canada? It's incredible. Once the government gets in on an illegal activity, remember, bookmakers used to be illegal. Used to have bookies all over the place for this stuff. Now it's licensed by your government, and the advertising is nonstop. Where governments used to say gambling was bad for the youth of the country and for the population as a whole, now they're promoting it. The tax dollars are needed, and it's incredible. It's amazing how it all changes once it becomes legal under some law. It's just laughable. And these politicians, who run these states, were elected by the God-fearing Bible Belt followers and all that, and yet the gambling continues. Alcohol is legal. Cannabis is becoming more and more legal. It's incredible. The hypocrisy is just off the charts. And people fall for these guys again and again and again. It is just amazing. Anyway, so much fun. Lame Duck, I am number 188. Thank you, everybody, for these thumbs ups. Wow, the green and red bars are dancing, says JR. Splair 845, giddy up, a BW, screw you AI, you are not a profitable company, stop riding the NVIDIA wave, you are not them. A DQ 198, Jennifer 203, Bruce, you have 200 thumbs ups. Strickland's not getting us. 205 now, thank you everybody for being here and helping out with those thumbs up. Luca, 20 euros. Thank you, man. Grazia, Uncle Bruce, and see you all soon. I got to go. We'll pick up the rerun on Sunday. Luca, thanks, pal. That's awesome. Very, very kind, very generous, and thank you very, very much. Fun times at the OK Corral, everybody. We're down 650 on 6.5 on Dow. That's all, 6.5 points. The S&P is up 6 points. NASDAQ is ahead. Let me double check these numbers and get a fresh update if I can. 2172 on your GameStop. We're ahead here, moving higher. We're up 10 on S&P, up 75 on NASDAQ. Oil down 22 cents to 71.07. That is what's going on. Interesting stuff going on. 2169 up 25 cents on GameStop. Rocket Lab down 3. SoFi up 22 to 834. NVIDIA up $6. AI up 205. Unity up 132. We have Smart Rent down a half a penny. Tesla up $11 to 246. Apple up 102. Google up 56. So we got a green market happening more or less on most issues. We'll see how this plays out. Kiwi, if people don't gamble, drink, and smoke, the government would have to take a lot of tax from somewhere else. Exactly. And it's amazing how many people do smoke and drink and gamble all at the same time. These are our greatest taxpayers. These are middle-class people, upper middle-class people who just give it back in pleasurable activities and make our society a much better place. And I thank you, taxpayers, for helping out. Keep voting for your most conservative politicians who will get out of your life, except for smoking, drinking, and gambling. Government is not part of your problem. It's all good, everybody. Thank you so much. Man, oh man, let's see what else is going on here. This market is nuts. This is not a bull run unless you mean the U.S. history version of what happened at Bull Run. BW, this is a Rugman's market, and he is waiting to trip into the markets next week. We got a 25-point zonk. Zoink coming. I'm laughing here. It's going to be fun. We'll see what's going on. In my opinion, we'll find out, BW. We're up 21 on the Dow at the moment. We're up 580 on NVIDIA. SoFi 835, now up 23 cents a share. The high of the session, 846 on 6.6 million in 10 minutes on your SoFi. We go up again. Rocket Lab at 525, down 3. AI up 240. Unity up 160. GameStop up 18 cents, 2162 with 861,000 in the first 10 minutes traded. Good start again for GameStop on volume. Low today, 2150. The high today, 2211. We're at 2162, 2167 on GameStop. Following a lot of stuff simultaneously, everybody. 839 now on SoFi, creeping up to the 840 level. 852 is the high of the last 52 weeks. We break through that. Watch out. We are that close. And I don't think we're this close for fun. We're here for money. There's a reason this market is going higher on SoFi. Those who are picking this stuff up by the hundreds of thousands of shares, they know what they're doing. They're not stupid. They know it has already shown its hand. It's going higher. 840 on your SoFi right now. Oh, fun times. Fun times, everybody. Never a dull moment in this business. We've got 213 thumbs up. Strickland is running up and down the hallways. Where are those damn kids? And where is Marty McFly and that little girlfriend of his? Where are those guys? I'll find them. I'll track them down. Don't get caught by Strickland. That guy never had hair. He'll never have hair. You know that he has that little bottle in his office in that brown paper bag. You know that, don't you? Strickland, he's a piece of work. If times ever get tough, though, watch out. Strickland will come barreling out of his house with a shotgun, so be careful. Don't get caught by that guy. He's wacko. All righty. Alberto, Uncle, is there still a lot of room for Tesla to move up? Yes, there is. Tesla can still go higher. 300, 400 a share can easily be done. I don't know if it's going to happen, but yes, it could. With Elon's attention now focused on Tesla and not on Twitter, the street is going, okay, we're getting it. But there's also $20 to $30 downside on Tesla. There's a 10% to a 15% down dip on Tesla anytime, because that's always normal in the world of Tesla. So from 250 to 210, 215, not unreasonable. In one day, maybe not, but be cognizant of that. But right now, rollover time on Tesla is the order of the day. Manager Uncle K, Uncle Bruce, I just wrote GameStop. September 15, $25 strike for 210 against my poor man cover call. Collected 4,200 premium in premium. Is this a good move? So you've written 20 cash secured puts. 20 September. $25 strike for 210. No, you've written calls. You've written against my poor man cover call, collected 4,200 premium. Okay, you just wrote covered calls, right? Okay, got it. Yeah, 25s. Yep, that's okay too. Yeah. September 15. Yeah. Bagel Babe 847. I see 849. We're just about to go. No covered calls. Giddy up, manager. You're okay. Amy, SoFi hit 850. That's right, baby. It's doing it. It is doing it. 852 has been touched already. 852. Yeah, he wrote against poor man cover calls. He's going okay. He's doing all right. Nazareth, exactly. 852 has been touched on your SoFi. 853 just went through. That's a new 52-week high. We have broken the resistance levels of SoFi. Next stop, $25 a share. But let's go to 860 first, and then let's go to 9, and let's go to 950, and then break 10. Okay, 856 on your SoFi, kids. Giddy up, everybody out there. If you have written calls on this stuff, you better be doing rollovers, because you are in trouble. You're going to get exercised. Do not get exercised on your SoFi. Do not write cover calls right now. Don't do it. BW SoFi, if it gets through 842, 850, next leg up should be 903. So watch the spikes. 853 right now. The high of the session already on SoFi, 856. We're 855 right here. right now. Volume on SoFi, 9.9 million in 15 minutes. Giddy up, kids. We're moving, and their resistance is non-existent. It's futile financial mischief. I was sitting on a January 24 550 put on SoFi. I sold it for $1.29. I just bought it back for 42 cents. I now have my stink bid in for a January 24 9 put. That's a stink offer. You have a stink offer in for your $9 put. Well done, Flint. Sitting on in a park, acting the fool. SoFi 854. Yeah, 856 on SoFi right now, kids. Getting richer, and there's no stopping this sucker. There's no stopping it. It's on its way higher, and there are shorters out there going, ooh, geez, that was supposed to go to 250. It was supposed to go to like Wedbush said it was going to go to 250. Why is it 857? Why? What have they revised their number? Yes, to $3. Wedbush, way to go, guys. You guys are great. Financial mischief offer. Yes, Uncle Bruce. The stink offer. You got it. What strike did you say to write on SoFi? I said cash secured puts on SoFi. Cash secured puts on SoFi. Don't write calls on SoFi. Ed, I'm clapping. I love this. This is so much fun. Oh, it's good times. Thank you, everybody, so much for being here. Thank you for joining the channel as members. Thank you for donations. And thank you for just being part of the family. It's great to have you here. Let's see what the upside has in store on SoFi. This isn't it. 856 is not the all-time high for this stock. Giddy up. Touch Grass is smiling. Splair, so unreal. I'm $300 up on SoFi after a bus ride back from work, knowing that no one of us gained today as much as I did already. That's right, so Splair. You're one of 0.1%. The rest of the world is clueless on what's going on. It's unbelievable. Zed, if you own a 10,000 shares of SoFi, your position decreases by $100. Yeah, isn't that kind of fun? Every penny is $100 more. Nice. Welcome, everybody. 859 on SoFi. 859 right now. The high of the day right now, 860. Just touching 860 at the moment on SoFi. We just had another 2 million go through. 12.3 million traded now in 17 minutes. There's buying coming in here. There's serious buying coming in here right now. The market is getting it. They're going, oh, shoot, I'm missing this. What do they know? What do they know that we don't know? A lot. Yeah, we're way ahead of you guys. Well to go. Well done, everybody. Giddy up all. You're getting richer, whether you like it or not. You're going to get richer. NVIDIA up 770. The Dow's up 20. We're at 860 on SoFi. We are up 15 on S&P. We're up 108 on NASDAQ. And we're down 26 on oil, interestingly enough. Fun times. AI up 255. Unity up 145. GameStop up 39 cents to 21.83. Going higher on GameStop. Writing cash secured puts on GameStop, not a bad idea. SmartRent up 2 cents. Tesla up 14.50. 249.44. We're going higher on Tesla. Apple is up 122. Google up 112. Sextera is about the same. What do we got here? Moderna down 78 cents. Cisco down 15 cents. What else is going on here? Oh man. Pfizer down 8. IBM up 62. HPQ up 23. Microsoft up 377. What else is happening? Amazon up 119. Home Depot down 150. Vanik up 221. Netflix up 889. Adobe up $26 to 465. There's positive money coming into this market. A lot of it. A ton of it. And they're looking for bargains. They're looking to get into growth stocks. I know some. One of them is a little online fintech bank. It's actually not that little. It's called SoFi. And that's a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. 860 now on the SoFi. 852 to 860. Giddy up. High today, 861 on SoFi. Pat Markley, I think Wedbush almost kind of missed it on SoFi. He kind of missed it. That $253 projection is kind of off a little bit right now. Yeah. I'm amazed that there are analysts sticking to their guns and saying, oh, SoFi's $556. Clueless. They're not paying attention to what is going on here. But what am I supposed to do? We need sellers, We need fools to give up the paper at cheap prices so the winners can get in cheap and enjoy the run. So there are fools selling at 850. Fools. This isn't enough evidence for you that it's going to go higher. So you're going to get out at 850 because it went from 550 to 850. And this is it. This is your plan. This is your whole plan. 850. That's as high as the stock can ever go. Really? Oh, you fools. Oh, fools. That's what makes this market so great. The hard is what makes it great. Remember, in baseball, there's no crying in baseball. There's no crying in the markets. There's just making money. Make money, people. Giddy up. Don't be afraid to roll and write cash secured puts. If SoFi backs off a bit, write cash secured puts. Get your positions and move on. Oh, baby. Pants off, dance off. When it hits $10. What, I have to take my pants off because it hits $10? You take your pants off, but don't show me. Don't show me that. I don't want to see it. 220 thumbs ups. Strickland is still running around going, where are those damn kids? They're out there somewhere. They're not giving him thumbs ups. I'm going to get them. I'm going to get these kids. I'm going to find them. You betcha. Oh, baby. So much fun happening in this market, kids. Thank you for being part of the show today. Love it. It gives me a reason to get up every day. I love this. So much fun. Congratulations, option writers. You are getting richer. This is all good stuff. I love it. Oh, my. This is great stuff. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you all so much for being here, everybody. Part of the show. Having a good time. We're up 61 on the Dow. Auntie Jen is just waltzing in.
It's warm in here.
Is it? I got the fan going to kind of cool me off a bit. It's lovely out.
It is lovely.
SoFi 860. New 52-week high.
Nice.
The breakout is underway.
Nice.
Yeah, we've only
Very
just
nice print.
we've only just started. Oh my God, have we just only
I'm here
started?
early and I'm just doing a high and a buy.
That's right.
I got a doctor's appointment.
That's right. Got to see the doc.
Gonna show off my new hip. Woo!
That's right. Dancing in front of the doctor. So she's going to see the doctor.
Oh no, the other one's really sore.
What I think is great is that she's going to go and see the doctor that she saw last year in extreme pain and discomfort with a cane on Tylenol or acetaminophen, ibuprofen every 4 hours. And the doctor referred her to x-rays and then referred her to a specialist here in Alberta. And then the specialist's office sent her a letter saying, congratulations, you're on the 3-year wait list for a new hip, even though you're taking pills every 4 hours for the pain you're in. You're on the wait list, and it's only 3 years from now. This is the doctor she's going to go see today.
But it's not the doctor's fault.
No, it's not the doctor. We're not blaming the doctor. This is the system we're in here.
Yeah.
But Jen has had a new hip because of you viewers out there to a great extent. It's the only reason that Jen is as happy as she is. And is going to be able to stand in front of her doctor and going, no cane, no walker, no pain.
I can lift my leg and whip it to the side.
Uncle Bruce's viewers. Yeah. That's right, baby.
So I'll see you later. Everybody have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend, everybody. Woohoo! Eddie Jen is saying.
Go SoFi.
Okay, babes. We'll see you later.
I'll leave this door open for you.
Thank you. Yes, maybe put that thing behind it so it don't slam on me in case it wants to slam on me. Giddy up, baby. Okay. See you later. Woohoo! Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. It's so much fun. What else is going on here? Mr. Premium of the thing. Jason, thank you, Jason, for the PayPal donation. Just saw it. Click. Thank you. Mr. Premium, the option stinker just hit on GameStop. I sold 5 games, cash secured puts for $164 and just bought back for 11 cents. Thank you very much. A lovely little profit there. BW, high anti-gen, 52-week high. Bells going off on people's scanners this morning, being alerted to unknown little company called SoFi. Come to the table and enjoy the bounty. The entire meal was prepared in the shower. Alberto, Tia, how you doing, Auntie? Mandu, good morning, AJ. And Splair, the doctor will make big eyes. Have a great weekend, Auntie Jen. Indeed, it's looking good. As a matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, I think Auntie Jen is going to walk to the appointment, which is 10 blocks from here. Jen has to walk 10 blocks to get to the doctor's office. I think she's walking to it this morning. How about that? Pretty cool, huh? And if you want to bring socialized medicine to the U.S., we are bigger than Canada. If you do that to us, where will we go to get surgeries we need? Mexico, I know people who have done that, and doesn't work out well for them. There you go. Well, like I say, we do have some positives for socialized medicine, but there are some negatives, and the COVID thing didn't help the situation at all. And so there you go. But the voters are making it painfully obvious up here to their politicians who are running for election. If you're not talking about increasing medical accessibility, you're not getting elected. Deliver or you're out. And if you don't deliver while you're elected, you're out. You're only going to get one term. And so you can't buy your way into permanent election here. You're going to be replaced. And that has been happening here and there. But it's not perfect, of course not. But it is are there people going bankrupt in Canada because of medical? No, that is not happening. There's no one rejected in this country for whatever. Now, my good buddy had a quadruple bypass. There was no ifs, ands, or buts. There was no discussion. You are getting a bypass immediately. Cost zero. Did he have $100,000 bill from his medical provider? No bill whatsoever. No deductible, no pre-existing condition crap, no eligibility garbage. Paid for it. He's done. He had it done, and he's alive and well, much better, and just got back from a trip to the U.S. and back. He is back, and I couldn't be happier. So, kids, there's benefits. If it's an emergency situation, you're going in. If it's elective, and that's the problem. If it's knee surgery, shoulder surgery, elbow, ankle, hip, these issues are the ones that are driving many Canadians up the wall right now. It's being worked on, but it's a slow boat. Don't want to go there, but that's what it is. All right. Pat says, you know what? I just sent my resume to Wedbush. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do. Also, I might as well get paid for it twice. Look, let me be your analyst. I don't know what I'm doing, but I can sure do just as badly as your analyst that's doing now. BW just got this alert in email this morning from Sofi. Your savings APY has increased to 4.3%. Take that, Apple, which is really Goldman Sachs. Wow. Sell my house fast. It's not perfect. It's not even acceptable. Up to you. You decide. Ed, her daughter had 2 years of intense chemotherapy in hospital for 2 years full-time, and the stem cell transplant cost $0. Ed Hawkins, she's now 13. Congratulations. Yeah, we have, like I said, I've been in the system. I've had issues, thankfully very slight, no cost. Jennifer, we love the Canadian system when it works and where it works, but it's not completely perfect everywhere across the board. And every country has got the same beef with their systems. It's okay. It's all right. It's nothing personal. It's okay. We don't want to make anybody mad. We're just trying to say, is it perfect everywhere? Anywhere? No. And there you go. We're up 46 points on the Dow. Is that perfect? No. But is it good? Yeah, it's okay. All right, we'll take it. We got the S&P up 16. We got NASDAQ up 109. Giddy up. Adobe stock rides the AI wave. Wall Street is optimistic. Adobe riding the wave. And sure as heck is. Adobe, what a run Adobe has been on. It's up $24 a share to $463. Incredible wave. We're up $10 on NVIDIA, $395. SoFi, $866. New highs on your SoFi, kids. It's riding a wave, and it cannot be stopped. The high today, $868. The volume on your SoFi now, 18 million in 29 minutes. Congratulations, SoFi shareholders. You're getting richer, like it or not. You're going into a higher tax bracket. You're going to be writing options on this stuff down the road, and it will be your retirement ticket. It will be your get out of the job, risk-free. Say goodbye to your day job. SoFi, it's coming. It's coming. It's on its way. We're up 50 cents today on SoFi. Rocket Lab up 4 now, 532. We're inching up again. AI up 281. Unity up 134. This is real. The GameStop up 72 cents to 22.16 on
GameStop. We're up 72 cents on GameStop. 1.94 million, almost 2 million traded in 30 minutes on GameStop. Smart Rent up a penny. Tesla up 13.70. Apple up $1. Google up 140. We're moving higher. Moderna's up 40 cents. Cisco up 14. Pfizer up 2. IBM up 75. HPQ up 26. Microsoft up $4. Giddy up, kids. We're rolling up 114 on Amazon. HD up 150. Vanik up 260. Netflix up 720. Adobe up 2368. Giddy up, everybody. We're having a fun time. What else is going on? Yep. People are talking about the medical stuff. I'm not going to talk about medical stuff. Not going there. Talk amongst yourselves if you want. I'm talking about a market on fire. And folks on this channel are making money. And that's what we're here for right now. Flint Creek, my $6 option on Sofi, which I kept selling and buying, is now worth $2.85. Giddy up, Flint Creek, making money. 63-point gain on the Dow right now. 864 on Sofi, 868 on Sofi. We're moving higher. We're at the high of the day right now on your Sofi shares, everybody. Giddy up all. 871, another new high on Sofi. 872 is the high trade, and it's just going through. Like I said, it's going to go up in pennies, then it starts to go up in nickels. We're up 60 cents to 872 now. We're not up 18 cents. We're not up 19 cents. We're not up 23 cents. We're up 60. It will fluctuate up and down, okay? It's not straight up. It will have pullbacks, but we are rolling here. Volume is coming in. Dough is coming into this stock. Serious money starting to show up. 19.5 million, almost 20 million traded in 32 minutes. 872 a share, the high of the day right now on your Sofi. Rocket Lab is now up 6 to 534. That is its high of the day. 535, 534, 623,000. Rocket Lab is moving higher. AI up 260. Unity up 132. GameStop up 93 cents to 22.37. Did you get your rollovers done? Did you get them done? Are you doing them? Don't be holding 18s. Get up there. Smart Rent 351 up a penny. Tesla up 13.40. Apple up 117. Google up 154. We're moving up. We're moving up, everybody. 70-point gain on the Dow. $10 pop on NVIDIA. 878 on Sofi. Anyone paying attention to Sofi? 878. New high on Sofi. We're going through 20 million on the volume meter here. We're rolling 878 on Sofi. Fantastic stuff, everybody. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. 536 Rocket Lab up 8. Looking good. Up $1 on GameStop. 22.44 up $1 on GameStop. Anyone writing cash secured puts on GameStop? You're benefiting on this up move. Indeed. Very good. Keep up the good work, everybody. Getting richer on this channel. 1 penny, 1 nickel at a time. What can I say? We have 227 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for 227 thumbs ups. Thank you for being members of this channel, upgrading your membership on this channel. Way to go, all. We love you. And keep the drive alive. Thank you to Jason Parrish. Thank you, Jason, for this PayPal donation. Very kind of you. So appreciated. Jen is, of course, always just blown away by you people out there. You're just amazing. She is just loving every pain-free step she takes, whether it's inside our apartment or heading to the doctor to show the doctor how she's doing. This is good stuff. Thank you all so very, very much. 228 thumbs ups and counting. All right. We've got, let's see here. I think we can see $9, says Blair. I think we're going to get there. Dude, okay, Uncle Bruce, I rolled some GameStop call contracts. Went from 19s to 21.75s. I'm going up slowly but surely. Right on, buddy. Bring it on. Bring it along. 22.43 on GameStop. 872, 878, 880 on the Sofi for the high of the day. Could $9 be hit today? They're so close. You just don't put it past it. 21.6 million traded on your SoFi, and we're within 25 cents of $9. Holy moly. Alex, what's that I see in the distance? Why, it's my $9.10 cost average on SoFi. How about that? Alex is saying, oh my goodness, I'm in the area code right now. How about that action? Well, 878, you gotta love it, babies. Going higher on your SoFi, whether you like it or not, it is going up and it's not waiting. The train left the station. That 445 price point, that 510, that 618, that 711 price, that $8 neighborhood. This train left the station, folks. We're moving higher now. We're going up the line. Bobby Atkinson, 2 cents away. SoFi, the pants are coming off. Start the Yoko music. Here we go. Bobby's getting excited. Bobby is getting excited. Look out. Don't turn on the camera, Bobby. Please, whatever you do, don't send us photos. 83-point gain on the Dow. We've got a markets inching higher. We're up 90 now on the Dow, up 25 on S&P. We're up 138 on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is up 1%. The Dow is up 0.29. The Dow's not even a third of the way up, and it's up 90, 100 points now. We should be up 300 on the Dow to match S&P. To match NASDAQ. That is the power of NASDAQ right now. Wow. Away we go, kids. Like it or not, we're moving higher. Up 122 on GameStop. 22.66 on GameStop shares. Those deep in the money calls that you guys picked up yesterday, if any of you got some more, already laughing. We're rolling higher. Somebody sold GameStop at 2010 yesterday morning. Somebody sold it at 2050. Somebody sold it at 2080. They gave up on it, like as if Cohen doesn't know what he's doing. Something's happening over there. Early days, I tell you, we're up 130 on GameStop. What can I say? We're going higher. SoFi 867. We're up 55 cents. What a day today on SoFi. What a run. Rocket Lab's up 7 cents to 536. Unbelievable. Alex, I averaged down from $18 on the IPO days. This company is going to be huge. Alex, way to go, pal. Sitting with a 9.10 average instead of an $18 average. And here we are. This is just the beginning. We barely started. Yeah, you folks are in early, really early. Nice stuff. Good going. We'll see what happens. I'm telling you, it's fantastic. We have 230 thumbs ups today. Thank you, everybody, for 230 thumbs ups. It's great to see this. 274 people are here. Don't let Strickland catch you without giving the thumbs up. He will nail you guys. Brian, where are GameStop and SoFi going? Higher. They're going higher. Have you not heard the word? Are you new to the channel, Brian? Number 230. Good morning. Good morning, Brian. How you doing, pal? 395 on NVIDIA. Looks good. Up $10. SoFi 864 to 865. This is looking great. I love this. Rocket Lab 536 up 8. AI 3901 up 279. Unity 3673 up 45 cents. GameStop up 118 to 2262. Smart Rent up 1.5 cents. Tesla up $13.18 to 248. Apple up 108. Google up 119. Moderna is up 24 cents. Cisco up 28. Pfizer up 22. IBM up 121. HPQ up 27. Microsoft up 368. We've got Amazon up 112. Home Depot down $2. Vanik up 260. Netflix up $10. Adobe up 24.39. Goldman down $1.60. Boeing down 37 cents. Meta up 80. We got Royal Caribbean up 89 to 91.13. We have Target up down 146. JP Morgan up 27. Costco down 134. Walmart up a dime. Disney down 6. American Airlines up 20. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. DraftKings down 13 cents. Everyone, welcome to the party. Welcome to the action. Welcome to option expiry day. Welcome to volatility. Welcome to a surging market with cash coming into it. Money is coming into this market. They're looking for growth. They're looking to buy into entities that can move up on the AI phenomena, that can grow their earnings. reduce their costs, beat inflation. Where are we going? And one of the places you're going into is SoFi. Hey, we got a troll. We got a troll. Bruce is a con man and a swindler. Yay! We got a troll paying to be here. Oh, isn't this wonderful? Chilling with Uncle Bruce member, not even a Gold Bagel member. I mean, come on. Bruce is a pump and dump guy. Don't fall for Bruce. Yay! Bruce is a moron. You gotta love that. Aren't these great? Aren't these? Isn't this fantastic? Oh, thank you, moron. Thank you. Keep on buying those memberships. I love it. We love it. Spam for breakfast, says Bobby. Brian, I knew Uncle Bruce was pumping and dumping specs. I knew it. Touchgrass. It's okay. We pay to be here too. Brian, laugh out loud. Spam ham. Jennifer Smith. Good times. Yay. Oh, don't we love it when the trolls show up? They pay to be here. They pay to hit us. Isn't it fantastic? Paying trolls. Those are the best kind of trolls to have. The ones who pay you. Oh, boy. Thank you so much. Wait till Mom finds out that the credit card has been hacked again. Oh, my. 74-point gain on the Dow. 21 on S&P. 119 on NASDAQ. Good times. Good times. BW. $10 more on alert. Love the new members. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Nvidia up $9. SoFi 864, 866. There you go. Rocket Lab 536 up 7 cents. AI up 247. Unity up 32. GameStop up $1.36 to 22.80 on your GameStop. Going up again. Oh my. Oh, it's so much fun. Cheers, everybody from around the world. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for the thumbs ups today. Thank you for super chats. Thank you for becoming members of this channel. Thank you for taking the classes, the one-on-ones. Love you guys. Keep it up. The markets are working, and so are you. And you deserve the upside, no question about it. I'm so excited for a bunch of you folks. You're going to say goodbye to your day jobs. It's coming a lot sooner than some of you think. It is really happening. Fabulous stuff. Getting ready to make money. Oh, yeah, folks. Going to make money. Good stuff. Let's see. Alex, he could have bought a SoFi share with that $10. Yeah, no kidding. He could have bought almost 2 of them a couple of weeks ago. Splair, I met this professor in Amsterdam just to get a real picture from Uncle B. Drew, 233, good morning and happy Friday, everybody. I'm here. You can start the show right now. Thank you very much. Financial Mischief, that was highly amusing. SoFi on the fly, and someone has to jump in here and attempt to scare people. Be better and do better, Mr. Troll. Yeah, like the stock is at a 52-week high, and this guy is a problem. Really. You gotta love that. It's amazing. The higher the profile this channel gets, it attracts trolls. Is that wild? Is that like defy logic? But there you go. What can I say? We're up $1.50 on your GameStop. Have you noticed that? $22.98. Going for $23 a share on GameStop here. The high today is 23. 3.2 million volume on GameStop, everybody. Interesting moves. Tesla up $14, 248.90. Apple up 98. Google up 139. Yeah, apparently I'm a shill when the markets go up. That's the only time they accuse me of being a shill, is when markets actually hit all-time highs. Not all-time lows, all-time highs. Amazing. Strangely amazing. Rather amusing, perhaps, is what it is. Welcome all to the show, the channel, the greatness, the wildness, the craziness. Thank you all. I think it's time for a knee emoji attack. It might be just that time to have a knee emoji attack. 235 thumbs ups have come in. Thank you all for being here. This is good stuff. Paul's Guitar Uncle Bruce, rolled my 7 GameStops. October 20 strikes to October 25s for credit, 110 per contract, 760. If so, is that far out in time? That's a good move. Going from 7 GameStops October to October 24. Way to go, pal. Flint, money from a cover call way out on SoFi may be enough in short-term option calls to buy another 100 shares. Rinse and repeat. Computer Whiz, you know you're going places when you get paying trolls. DH hitting the emojis. Charles Wells, chilling with Uncle Bruce. Member, how you doing there, Charles? Alex, neat. I bet the troll's making money with this anyway. Says Flair. Mandu number 5, neat. Pat Merkley, neat. BW, it's like the trolls show up because they get blown out as a short seller, and their last dying breath is throwing $10. That you're saying, screw you, Bruce. Spicy, dang, I should have waited to write on GameStop. John Anderson, neat. Brian, GameStop going to gain 20%. Touchgrass, neat. Alex, crikey. Tesla hit 250. Crikey. That's right, babies. Neat emoji time. Here we go. Neat. 237 thumbs up. So going for 250. Neat. Thank you, everybody. Having fun today. Having fun in the markets. Going higher. We're on fire. We're up 100 on the Dow now. 105 make that. S&P up 26. NASDAQ up 140. Oil down 3 cents. SoFi 868. Looks like it's climbing a little bit again. Here we go. Alex, neat. Here come the knee emojis. They're coming from all over the world. Beautiful. Don't mess with the Knights of Knee. 867 on SoFi. Rocket Lab 532 up 4. AI up 273. Unity up 52. And GameStop 2288 up 140. For Karen D, neat. Don't mess with these guys. Oh, the knee emoji attack is underway. The Knights of Knee are on it. 238 thumbs ups and counting. 870 on SoFi, climbing again, everybody. Are we having fun here? Selling a cash secured put on SoFi, Jan 24 nines for 180, 190. What do you think about that? That means that you're offering to buy the stock at 710 to 720. Are you comfortable with that? I'd be comfortable with that. But hey, there you go. Taking that kind of money off the table, about 20% of the cash you need to buy it. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Splair, laugh out loud. The last $10 breath idea is great. Mr. Premium, GameStop stinker just hit. Sold a covered call. October 24 strike, and I got $335 for it. Giddy up. There you go. $22.93. Up 149 on GameStop, just taking money off the table with a $24 strike. Nice move. Nicely done. Taking cash from the babies out there. It's beautiful. Thank you all. We're up nicely on the markets. 870.71 on SoFi. We're within a dime of the high of the day, which is a 52-week high right now. We're setting new 52-week highs every time we break 880 now. Giddy up. Let's see here. Charles, how soon would you sell calls on SoFi? I would close in $9 calls, but we'll have to buy them back. How far out would you sell them? I wouldn't be writing calls on SoFi unless I absolutely had a rollover situation that I got caught on, because a bunch of people out there did write 5s, 6s, 7s, and 8s, and they're getting hit. So you got to write 9s and 10s, and you got to go up to next year. But I wouldn't recommend anyone write any right now. Let this sucker go to 10 first, and then we'll deal with it. So much fun. Richard, neat. Brian, neat. The knee emoji attack is underway. Get out of the way of the knee emoji attack. Up 11 on NVIDIA, 396.76. SoFi up to 872 now. Up 60. Rocket Lab at 532 up 4. AI up 259, 38.81. Unity up 71 to $37. GameStop 23.09 on GameStop, up 165. We're going higher, kids. 238 thumbs ups. Thank you all helping out today with the knee emojis and the thumbs ups, donations, becoming members. You guys are awesome. We're having fun here. PayPal donations have been coming in this morning. Thank you all who've been doing those. You guys are awesome. Spreading the cheer. Thank you all so much. I love it when you guys make money. I just do. 535 on that Rocket Lab. It looks like it wants to go. That Rocket Lab wants to go. Oh my goodness. Are we going to have fun on Rocket Lab? Fun, kids. Fun times. All right. Thank you all so much. 869, 870 on SoFi. We're just about to break again. We could hit 9 today. We could. I don't know if it's possible, but it looks like it wants to. The volume on SoFi now is 26.8 million. in 49 minutes. Very good volume here on SoFi. GameStop 2312, 3.8 million. That's pretty good volume. 5 million is a typical day for GameStop. 3.8 million already, not even an hour. 2317, we're going higher on GameStop. The numbers are beginning to sink in. The realization that, wait a minute, they lost 50 million last quarter. Last year, they lost 150 million, 155 or 157 million. They only lost 50? What? Raising the price on their pro membership. Margins are increasing. Costs are decreasing. What? Yeah, okay, the president's gone. Guess who's in charge now? Mr. Cohen. Look out. Look, you going to bet against this guy? Really? You're gonna bet against him. That's your plan. You're going to bet against Mr. Cohen. It would be nice if he talked. I agree. Maybe he will. What if he did? Oh, my God. What if he started talking about the potential future of this company? Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. Donation just came in. Oh, my goodness. Thank you. Donation just hit on PayPal. Holy moly, macaroni. Thank you to... Charles, thank you, my friend, so much. You're awesome, buddy. Love it. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very, very much. It's so appreciated. And you sending me that clip a while ago. Oh, man. You know that clip I'm talking about. Oh, boy. I still get a kick out of that. That is so cool. Thank you, friend. You keep up the good work out there. And I'm just loving how it's going for you. This is goodbye, day job. Oh, man. Way to go, man. That's awesome. A lot of private stuff going on here. Fantastic. Flint Creek, I'm going to make a donation too, but I'm too busy trading right now. Alex, HPQ. January 25, $20 calls are going for $11 right now for anyone interested. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. Brian, I think shorters ran out of shares for GameStop. Only 60,000 available to borrow. 2309 on GameStop. BW, a Rugman sure is overinflating the markets this week. I wonder what's going to be like when he lets all the air out of it. Dude, more bagel money. $2. Thanks, dude. Brian, GameStop volume already 4 million. It hasn't even been an hour. That's right. There be money coming in here. There be dough coming into this market. 871 on SoFi, 873 on SoFi, kids. Here we are. Rocket Lab 531, AI up 209, Unity up 44, GameStop up 149. Giddy up, everybody. So much fun. Thank you, friends. Thank you all. You guys are awesome. We're up 98 on the Dow, trying to break 100, up 27 on S&P, 143 gain on NASDAQ, a 1% gain on NASDAQ, a 0.29% gain on the Dow. So there you go, everybody. So much fun here. Oh, my. We got stuff going on. What a session. I love it. Tesla up $16, 251.62. Hello. Rollover time there. Apple up to 182 now, 146 gain. These are highs. Google 124 up 144. Nice. Moderna up 46, just 125 a share. Cisco up 23. Pfizer up 35. IBM up 122. HPQ up 16. Microsoft up 332. Giddy up. Amazon up 121. Home Depot down 222. Vanik Semiconductors up 270. Netflix up 1460. Adobe up $25 a share on Adobe. What a day. What a day today. Uncle Bruce, can you do a one-on-one with me today? Yeah, I think so. What's today, Friday? Yes, I think I can. We'll do that on the private email. I'll figure that out after I'm done here, and I'll let you know what we can do. Sounds good. Giddy up, everybody. Fun stuff. 395 on NVIDIA, up 1060. SoFi 868, 869. Nice. Rocket Lab up 4. What a run. 2297 on GameStop, up 153. Thank you all for being here, and we'll see what we can do here about this market. Oh my gosh, we're coming into the final few minutes of our show here. Good show today. Thank you everyone for being here. 264 thumbs ups. Thank you all. No, 244. We're only 56 away from 300. If any of you are watching on the rerun, hit the thumbs up button for us. Let's go for 300 today. Thank you. And what else is going on here? Oh my goodness, what a session today. Yes, sir. Thank you. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm just reading some messages here on email. This is great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know who you are. Oh my goodness. Too much fun going on here. Just, oh my goodness. So much happening. We have 246 thumbs ups. Thank you all. Appreciate it. And let's see. Are you able? What are we at here? Jen Doe, please help me with what I should look to write on GameStop. I have 10 I can write. What should I be writing? GameStop. Where are we at right now? We're sitting at, let me see here, $22.99. Let's call it $23 a share. You could be looking at 25s. Certainly look at 25s. Go out several months. Can you get your hands on more than $3 a contract? Can you bring in some serious money here? Can you bring in some money where you can buy some more deepen money calls and write some more? Could you do that? Maybe. Let's take a look here. Let's see what we see, what we're looking at here, just for fun. What is this contract here? There it is right there. The October 25s are 268 to 310. If you can get 305 maybe. November 25s are offered at 340. Can you offer them at 335 maybe? If you go to December 23, $25 contracts, 385 offer, 380 range on those, $3,800 if you write 10 of those. And can you go after deepen the money calls to get some more? What about the January 10s are 1285 to 1355. Those are worth $13 each right now. Could you buy $10 calls for that $13 neighborhood and write another one? Hello, might be a way to go. Maybe that's it. Oh, we got another troll. Brian, any good news today? Markets are pumping. Brian, Jen Doe, check into October 23s, 24s. Home skill at GameStop, testing 200-day moving average. Very nice. Bruce and Jen fled Canada to elude the feds. Oh, lovely. Another new member. Sclaire, just in case, again, you'll have a successful, relaxed day. And this weekend, rewatchers, keep it going. This is the path to success. Dude, oh, wow, another troll member showed up. This is funny stuff. JR, hey, troll, I'll see you 10 and I'll raise you, buddy. $50. Come on, troll. Step it up. Moon Shadow sent you a PayPal, sir. Thanks for all you do. I need a one-on-one soon. Have a great day. Thank you, Moon Shadow. You're awesome. You know you're awesome. Welcome to not working every day for the rest of your life. Oh my goodness. Fun stuff. We got it. It's awesome, man. Thank you. What can I say, everybody? Thank you so much. At least the troll is entertaining, says Financial Mischief. That's right, JR. Thanks, pal. Thank you for that. We're up 105. Thank you all. And also thank you for the question, Jane. Thank you, Jane. Jen Doe. Thank you. Hopefully you can get some value out of what I'm saying there today. Man, oh man. Moon Shadow, my favorite Van Morrison song, says Dude Face. There we go. Thank you all so very much. I love these pink bars that come across with these chats. Just love those. They just are so dominating on the chat. They get attention. They get the attention. Hey, troll, I'll raise you. Thank you, my friends, so much. There we go, Beach Boy. You betcha. We'll figure one out. We'll get you set up. Not to worry, my friend. Oh my goodness, what a day today! What a market! Welcome everybody to the show, and welcome to making money in the markets. Option writers unite! It's all good. It's looking great out there. Thank you everybody. 873 on SoFi. It looks like we're trying to climb. 874. It looks like we're trying to go higher again. There you have it. We've got GameStop at 22.87, hanging in there. Up $1.43 today. Very interesting market. Nvidia's up $10, 873, 872, 874 on SoFi, within 6-7 cents of the high of the year, high of the day, high of the year, 52-week high right now. Bobby, break on through to the moonshine side. Yes, baby. Splair, I think I'm going, I'm in a good boat here, loaded up to buy 2 calls on Rocket Lab October 8th and SoFi 11 and 12 calls for August, says Splair. And today, all of them are green, says Splair. Splair's a happy camper today. We're up 117 on the Dow. We're now up 120 on the Dow. Money is coming in here. We're up 27.5, 28 now on S&P. We're up 137 on NASDAQ. Oil down 2 cents. Giddy up, everybody. We've got all kinds of stuff going on. We have 247 thumbs ups. Thank you for those thumbs ups, everybody. SoFi 880. Yes, 880. We're back up to the high of the day on SoFi. We're climbing again. Here we go. We're moving. SoFi is the high of the day now, 881, a new high of the year, of the day, on 30 million volume on SoFi in 1 hour. 500,000 shares trading every minute on your SoFi on average right now. It is still coming through here. Very good. Is there any positive correlation between SoFi price and troll activity? I heard the word troll, and I knew my SoFi position was up this morning. I mean, as soon as I heard troll, I knew my SoFi was running. There you go. Splair TV 81. Brian, SoFi is going to hit $9 today. It's just going to do it, Bruce. It's going to do it. 879, 880 a share on SoFi. We're 20 cents away from 9. We might do it. I wasn't calling it, but it might happen. How about that? Splair, I'm a happy camper right now. 2 weeks in a row. Next PayPal will be at your account until Tuesday. Folks, it's all good stuff. But thank you all so much for your support. Make money, get richer. Think about me. Get rich, kids. That's what I want to see here. I love it when you guys make money. It's just so simple. I just love it when you guys make money. By the way, what's with the phone amplifier? What's the deal? Well, I got one right here. I got one right here. The phone amplifier. Here it is. Bagels with Uncle Bruce. There's the phone amplifier. You take your phone and you put it right in there like that, and then you play whatever you want to hear, and it comes out of here. No batteries, no assembly. It's a chunk of wood with the big logo on the back. Bagels with Bruce. We have a few of these left, but I haven't yet offered them for sale. The last time I offered them, they were $50 US, but I have to raise the price on these because the cost of mailing stuff is ridiculous. We may have to go to about $75 a piece on these, unfortunately. I'll let you know. I got to look into it some more. But we got the phone amplifier right there. There it is. Oh baby. Yeah. Fun times at the OK Corral. Welcome everybody, and thank you all of you today who've been here for so long, hanging around. Uncle Bruce, Wing Commander, thoughts on the following move? Tesla, 150 September covered call to 270 or 280 for December 25. Would cost me about $20 a contract. What do you think about that? Well, if you paid $20 a contract to go from a 150 strike to a 270 strike or a 280 strike for $20, bargain, absolute bargain. So that right there, that's called making money. You got to pay a little to get a lot. You don't want to be exercised at $150. So yeah, decide if you want to make that move. There's private messages coming in here from other stuff. Thank you. That's an interesting move, Point Commander. Really, Bobby, +1 in the green. That's $100 better. Sell now and quit my job right now. I'm getting out. This is great stuff. Way to go there, Bobby. BW, here's a $20 donation, Bruce. I'm covering for the next 2 basement dwellers that want to chime in, Uncle Bruce. They are just mad. They have to start paying their student loans back starting in August, and Mom's making them move out. That's why they're doing this. You got to love it. Splair, I would love to order 2 more next month, but first I need occasionally to grab some 10% trades on my day trade account. Dude, here's a $20 donation. I can't be outdone by a troll. There's no way that a troll is going to outdonate me for this channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, BW. Thank you, dude. Thank you to JR, of course. Thank you, Bruce and Jen fled Canada to elude the feds. Dude, face, thanks. Thank you all. Thank you. Another donation on PayPal just came in. Charles Wells, thank you for being part of the channel and joining in. Folks, thank you all very, very much. 249 thumbs ups. They're coming through, and folks are getting richer here. You got to love it when these markets go up. I love it. Cindy B, I feel like a wimp, but I had to get out of my, Tesla. Christina, moved my 110 to 150 for $2,500 profit. Not a bad move. Splair, Bobby, this is the way. If you can make it even better than that with a stink offer, or look at 160s, maybe you can get an even better price. You want to get as high a price. You want to get as high a profit as you can on this move up without question. So do what you need to do there, Christina. Well done. Thank you to Charles Carver. Thanks, pal, for that PayPal donation and the message. Thank you. Yeah. That's pretty cool stuff, guys. Thank you so much. Man, oh man. Fun stuff today. Never a dull moment. Yep, this is the way, says Splair to Bobby. This is the way. Way to go, Christina. Yeah, look, make your move and score. Score as much as humanly possible because you deserve it. No question about it. You've earned every dollar you get. All of you out there who have deep in the money calls on Tesla, if you're moving them up, way to go. $20, $30, $40, $50 move up from a low level to a middle level. Why not? Rollovers. Those of you who can afford to do Tesla rollovers, even if you pay a little to get a lot, yes, absolutely make that move. You are being well compensated. Don't worry about how far out you go in time. If the shares have a pullback for profit taking, a $30 pullback on Tesla is a nothing burger. You will do rollbacks. You will go from deep out in time to closer in on time for no cash out of your pocket. You know you can do it. Just stay on top of those option chains. So much fun. Giddy up, everybody. Thank you, dude. Thank you, BW. And thank you, JR. You guys are awesome. And all of the rest of you who have already been here doing this and PayPal donators, you know who you are. I know who you are. Jen will know when she gets back from the doctor. Thank you all so very, very much for being here. We're past the 2-hour mark. It's Friday. It's option expiry day. Thank you all. 249 thumbs up. Strickland is so upset. He can't find the kids. He was supposed to track down you guys and hand out those pink slips. He can't find you guys. You guys have hit the thumbs up button. You're invisible to that man. Well done, everybody. We're up 110 on the market right now. We got Sofi at 875, up 63 cents today. What a beautiful day there. We're up 168 on AI, up 44 in Unity. Rocket Lab's up a penny at the moment. GameStop up 111 to 22.59, up 115. We got an update here, and dough is being generated here by the viewers. Way to go, option writers. This channel is just loving it. We have up days, you make money. We have down days, you make money. It's the bottom line of option writers. We're the casino, folks, and we cater to gamblers, and the gamblers are dropping money on our laps, and folks are just grabbing it, and some of it is falling into my lap through these donations because these viewers are scoring big time. Thank you all for scoring on your trades. Dude, Deep, BW, all of you guys, well done. And thank you, those of you who have been able to do PayPal donations. Well done. Keep up the good work, everybody. Don't be stopping now. BW, you know what I like about you, your 90-10 rule, Uncle Bruce? With AI ripping up as of late, I can now look at using the 1750s or 20s for my leaps. That frees up more cash for what? Buy another poor man covered call. That's right. That's correct. You got it. Exactly right. If you can roll up your deep in the money calls to higher levels, you can buy more of them and write more contracts and bring in more cash. Bingo. There you go. Same with rollovers. If you can do rollovers and bring in more cash, buy more deep in the money calls and write more contracts, let the gamblers fund your success. That is how Vegas exists. Why not you right here? It's fantastic. BW, and thanks to Mr. Anderson for the 90-10 spreadsheet. Splair, again, enjoy the weekend, y'all. Thanks, Splair. Have a good one in Deutschland. Have a great weekend over there. And all of you out there, have a great weekend yourselves. We'll keep an eye on this market from this vantage point here. I'm not far away. If any of you want to have a one-on-one, let me know. We'll try to schedule you in over the weekend any way we can, or later today if necessary, and try to help you through this crazy market. The opportunities are there. Profits are coming in, and thank you all. BW, more contracts, you say? I already wrote 9,200. Isn't that enough? Never enough. It's never enough. Keep it going. Keep it going. It's pay time. Time to take it off the table. These people are throwing trillions. Take your thousands. Why not? Absolutely. It's payback time. This knowledge you are gleaning through option writing, it's time to take the cash off the table. Time to make it pay. That's how it works. Congrats, everybody. NVIDIA 290, 258, SoFi 866, AI 3730, Unity 3632, GameStop 2249 up 105. Mr. Malone, my bad. John Anderson, thanks, everybody. Have a great weekend. Thank you, John. Thank you, BW. Splair. Christina, thank you. Cindy B. Dude. Bobby Atkinson, Wing Commander. Zeta State, thank you, everybody. Brian, all of you have been here with me. Marcus, who else has been here? Financial Mischief, Moon Shadow. JR, thank you to Home Skillet. Thank you, Jen Doe. Beach Boy. Who else has been around here? Alex, of course. Flint Creek, thank you. Richard Carling, Mr. Premium of the Option. Ed Hawkins, thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. I can't say hi to everybody. Just a ton of you here today. This is good stuff. Financial Mischief. Do you think it would be a good time to roll my $5 AI leap up to a 20 maybe? Well, maybe you can go from 5 into a bunch of 20s and write even more contracts. It's time. Splair, for Europeans, you are very far away in case of miles on the map. BW, $1 into the weekend. Relax, Uncle B. Touch grass. You guys stay safe. Splair, thumbs ups for Uncle B. Thank you all so very much. Have a great weekend, all. We'll keep you posted on anything wacky. And definitely we'll see you Monday morning for some more fun. Chase Rosita, thank you. Neat. That's right. The knee emojis are out there. Enjoy it, everybody. And let's have some fun, mixing some dough. And let's ride this puppy. Thank you all. I'll talk to you later. See you from Calgary. Take care. And thank you. Take care, Alex. You got it.